Dental bridges are an effective option for replacing teeth that are missing and helping to restore a smile and bite. But the price of having a dental bridge may differ greatly based on the location you reside. This video will examine the cost of dental bridges across Europe with those of Turkey. Europe is known for providing high-quality dental services, however, it has a high cost. The cost for a bridge for your teeth in Europe could range from €500 up to €2,000 for each tooth based on the material used as well as the level of complexity. It can be costly when multiple teeth have to be repaired. However, Turkey has become a well-known tourist destination due to the low cost of treatment as well as high-quality treatment. The cost for getting an implant in Turkey is considerably lower and ranges from €200 up to €1,000 for each tooth. It can help patients save hundreds of dollars, which makes the option more appealing for people who want to cut costs without cutting in the quality of their care. One of the primary reasons that dental treatment is cheaper in Turkey is due to the low costs of living and work within Turkey. It allows dentists to provide affordable prices without degrading the quality of their materials or the expertise. A lot of dental practices located in Turkey offer services to patients from abroad, providing treatments that are available in English as well as other languages, which makes it an easy and affordable option for foreign patients. Quality-wise, in terms of quality, both Europe as well as Turkey follow strict guidelines when it comes to the treatment of teeth. Dental professionals in both countries receive rigorous education and training to make sure they offer efficient and safe treatment. It is crucial that patients conduct the research themselves and select an accredited clinic that has experienced experts to guarantee the highest quality outcomes. If you are considering the best location to purchase dental bridges, it is important to consider additional expenses like travel and lodging. Although Turkey might have less expensive prices in terms of dental treatment, however, the expense of travel across the border can negate the savings. It is crucial to estimate every expense and weigh the advantages and disadvantages of every option prior to making the choice. In the end, the choice of the best place to purchase a dental bridge is based on your financial budget, personal preferences, as well as your specific needs. Although Europe can provide top-quality services, Turkey provides a more economical option without losing the quality. Through comparing costs and conducting extensive research, patients are able to take a shrewd decision which is best suited to their requirements. The bottom line is that the cost of dental bridges in Europe tend to be higher in comparison to Turkey, which makes Turkey an affordable option when looking to cut costs without losing the quality of care. Both areas provide top-quality treatment, and it's important that patients weigh the various factors prior to making a choice. No matter where you decide for a bridge dental, it is important to consider your dental health, and finding an accredited clinic is your top concern.